Welcome to our guide on data import in Salesforce. In this session, we'll explore the various methods and guidelines for seamlessly bringing external data into the Salesforce ecosystem. Let's begin by highlighting the key learning objectives for this unit. Understanding different options for importing data into Salesforce. Exploring the steps involved in preparing and importing data using the data import wizard. First things first, importing data into Salesforce. You can effortlessly bring in external data, primarily saved in comma-delimited text format, .csv. Salesforce offers two primary methods for importing data, catering to different needs and volumes of records. The Data Import Wizard, a tool accessible via the Setup menu, is suitable for importing data into standard and custom objects. It's ideal for smaller data sets of up to 50,000 records and provides an intuitive interface to configure parameters and field mappings. The Data Loader, on the other hand, is a client application capable of handling larger data volumes up to 5 million records. It accommodates various data types and can be operated through the UI or command line, enabling automation via configuration files and API calls. When to use each method? Let's break it down. The Data Import Wizard is ideal for loading fewer than 50,000 records into supported objects, providing a non-automated import solution. In contrast, the Data Loader is suitable for larger data volumes, objects not supported by the wizard, and scheduled regular data loads, like nightly imports. Preparation is crucial for a successful data import. By adhering to these guidelines and considerations, your data import process into Salesforce can be smoother and more efficient. And that concludes our comprehensive guide to data import in Salesforce. First, make sure you are on the Home tab. Now, in the search bar, type Data Import Wizard and hit Enter. Click on the Data Import Wizard option that appears in the search results. Once you're on the Data Import Wizard page, look for the Launch Wizard button and click it. This will take us to the wizard where we can start importing our data. On the wizard page, you'll see a list of standard objects. For this tutorial, we'll select the account and contact objects. After selecting the objects, click on Add New Records. Click on the CSV option since we'll be importing data from a CSV file. Now click on Choose Files to select the CSV file you want to import. After selecting the file, Salesforce will automatically map some fields. However, it's crucial to review and map the remaining fields. Ensure that the data from your CSV file aligns correctly with the Salesforce fields. Once you're satisfied, click Next. Review the summary of your import job, and if everything looks good, click on Start Import. And there you have it. That's how you import data using the Data Import Wizard in Salesforce. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.